What's the meaning of cradle-snatch? Cradle-snatch. Cradle-snatch.
Cradle-snatch. Cradle-snatch. The term cradle-snatch refers to a situation where an older person pursues a romantic or sexual relationship with someone significantly younger, generally with the implication that this behavior is inappropriate or predatory. The term often carries negative connotations, suggesting a power imbalance between the parties involved and a disregard for the younger person's emotional well-being. Overall, engaging in a cradle-snatching relationship can result in harm and exploitation of the younger party, which is why it is commonly viewed as unethical and immoral behavior.